Cats are independent creatures, and gaining their trust is about respecting their boundaries and making them feel safe. Luckily, here are some practical ways to strengthen your bond and earn your cat's trust. First, create a safe and comfortable environment. Provide the cat with a quiet space where they can retreat without fear of disturbance. Ensure the area has essentials like food, water, and a litter box nearby. Reducing noise and limiting foot traffic in their space can also make them feel more secure. Next, let your cat approach you on their terms. Avoid forcing interaction, especially when they are new to your home or feeling shy. Sit quietly near them and allow them to sniff or observe you. This shows that you are not a threat, and they will gradually become comfortable with your presence. Use soft and soothing tones when talking to your cat, as loud or abrupt sounds may startle them. Positive reinforcement is another key element. Offer treats, gentle petting, or playtime to reward good behavior. Cats associate positive experiences with trust, so engaging with them in a way that makes them happy will strengthen your bond. However, it's crucial to recognize their preferences. Some cats enjoy being held, while others may prefer a light chin scratch or back rub. Observing their reactions will help you tailor your interactions to their liking. Laser toys activate a cat's hunting instincts, keeping them active and healthy. TB cat toys made with high-quality materials. These toys are designed to withstand regular use while being safe for cats. Playing with your cat using a laser toy fosters interaction and strengthens the bond between you and your pet. Regular play sessions not only provide mental and physical stimulation, but also help establish a sense of companionship. Patience is vital when earning a cat's trust, especially if they've had negative experiences in the past. Over time, they will associate you with safety and positivity. By consistently showing love, respect, and understanding, your cat will grow to trust you more. Building a strong connection takes time, but the reward of a trusting and affectionate feline companion is well worth the effort.